Did you know blackjack isn't just about luck? With the right strategy, you can actually tilt the odds closer to your side. Most players rely on gut feelings, but today, I'll show you the simple, proven system that takes the guesswork out of the game. Welcome to today's breakdown, where we'll dive into blackjack basics, smart strategies, and practical tips you can use right away. Whether you're new to the game or just looking to sharpen your edge, this guide will simplify everything so you can play with confidence. First, remember this. The dealer must follow fixed rules. That's your advantage. The dealer always hits until reaching at least 17, while you have the freedom to choose: hit, stand, double down, or split. Understanding this difference is the core of winning strategy. Players have studied millions of blackjack hands, and the result is what's called the basic strategy chart. It tells you the mathematically best move in every situation, whether to hit, stand, double, or split. For example, always split aces and eights, never split tens, and if you have 11, doubling down is usually your strongest play. A lot of players go wrong by trusting luck or copying others at the table. Hitting on 16 against a dealer's 10 without checking the chart, or splitting fives instead of doubling down, can drain your chips fast. Avoiding these mistakes is just as important as learning the right moves. Even the best strategy won't work without smart bankroll management. Set a budget before you sit down. Break it into smaller betting units and stick to them. Never chase losses. It's discipline that keeps you in the game long term. One of the most powerful strategies isn't at the table. It's knowing when to walk away. Set win goals, set loss limits, and actually follow them. That's how you leave ahead instead of giving your winnings back. I remember sitting at a table for hours early in my learning days, winning some, losing more, until I finally picked up the strategy chart. The change was immediate. I felt confident, I played smarter, and for the first time I walked away knowing it wasn't just luck, it was skill. So here's the formula. Learn the basic strategy chart, avoid emotional decisions, manage your bankroll, and always know when to walk away. Blackjack doesn't have to be a guessing game. With these steps, you're already ahead of most players at the table. If this helped you simplify blackjack strategy, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and become part of our growing family. Together, we'll keep learning smarter ways to play and enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.